Before we proceed, please note that while AI is used to create this video, all information is manually researched by our team, and it is not AI generated. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Mercari Error Status Code 403. The error message reads, "Something went wrong, response not successful, received status code 403. As per our research, this error occurs when users try to log in or create an account. The error especially comes to those who use their Facebook account to log in. Some users also have shared that if they try to reset their account password, it will say to check the email, but upon checking the email, they got nothing. Now let's come to fixes for this error. Try connecting your device over your phone hotspot and see if this resolves the issue. Next, if you are trying to log in using your Facebook account, then try logging in with your email and password. If the issue persists, try logging in under your browser incognito mode. If this resolves the issue, then you have to clear your browser cache and cookies to log into Mercari outside of incognito mode. In case you are outside of the United States, then you can't access Mercari outside the United States. Once you return back to the United States, you will be able to log in. Or you can consider using a VPN. At last, if you are not outside the USA and using any VPN, then consider disabling it if in case it is enabled. That's all we have for this error. If you found this information helpful, please don't forget to subscribe. It really supports us. For more tech updates, visit queries.com.